Brussels. Cobblestones older than most nations. And you're stuck squeezing past a tour group for a photo of a tiny statue. Big groups shuffling past Manneken Pis for a selfie, then rushed straight out of the grand place before the details even register. Uvamai's Brussels self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and wander at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Wander the grand place's gilded guild houses, find the Manneken Pis and his lesser-known sister Jeanneke, and climb toward Mont des Arts for a view over the whole city, every stop unfolding in its own time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Brussels, not just photograph it. $6. Brussels landmarks, history, and hidden corners. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.